What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Mile High Misfits. You guys might remember I tried to refinish the headlights on my 2006 Mustang GT budget drift car build, but these headlights are still super dim. So my friends over at Auxito sent me a set of their A1 Ultra headlights for me to try out. So in this video, I'm going to give these headlight bulbs an honest review and show you guys how to install them, so stay tuned. Well, here they are. These are the A1 Ultra LED headlight bulbs from Auxito. So let's see what you get when you open up the box. So here you have the user manual. You also get a set of gloves so that way you don't get any oils all over the headlights. And these are the headlight bulbs here, so you guys can see that these are a straight plug and play option for any vehicle that takes the H13 or 9008 model headlight bulb. And my immediate reaction is that these bulbs are pretty high quality and seem to be very sturdy. Of course, I really won't know until we get them in the car. The packaging is also very well done, and I think Auxito really knocked it out of the park with these ones. So here's what my headlights look like currently. As you guys can see, even with the refinish, they still don't look great, but hopefully with these new bulbs, they're gonna look a lot better and be a lot brighter. And don't mind my flowers in the garage. We had to bring all of our plants inside because we got snow in May in Colorado, so that was pretty fun. So now I'll get the new bulbs installed and I'll show you guys the process for that. So first you want to locate your headlight bulb. So that's the one right there. So we're going to twist it to remove it. So usually there's a tab here that you have to press, but mine is broken. So you're just gonna pull on it. And sometimes you kind of have to wiggle it back and forth to get it loose. But then it'll pop out just like that. So then you grab your new headlight bulb and then you pop it in the exact same way. And there's only one orientation that this is going to want to seat fully. So you kind of have to twist it around until it seats fully like that. And then you can twist it clockwise and it'll lock into place. So now let's see the difference side by side. So here's the new bulb from Auxito and the standard bulb. I really like the color of the bulb from Auxito as well compared to the standard one. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side, and then we're going to take it for a drive to see how it does at night compared to the standard bulbs.
A few moments later.
So to give you guys a clear before and after comparison, here is the before. And here's after. These bulbs clearly produce much more light over the regular set. They're going to make it much easier for me to see at night. And if you want to pick up a set for yourself, make sure to click the referral link in the description below and use code MISFITS15 for 15% off your purchase. But there you have it, guys. That's how to upgrade the headlights in your 05 to 09 Mustang using the A1 Ultra headlight bulbs from Auxito. But let me know in the comments if you guys have any questions about this kit. And as always, if you enjoyed the content for today, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for future content. I'll catch you guys next week. Later.